So this lab where you are is the Illinois MakerLab at the Gies College of Business.
Our lab is a place where anyone, students, faculty, or just members of the community, can come and turn their ideas into objects. We've had lots of things developed in our lab over the past 6 years, all the way from the very small, such as stents that are used for research on the human heart, to Max, our 6-foot 3D printed man who is our mascot.
In terms of equipment, we have about 20 3D printers, which are essentially melting plastic and then cooling it back together. So it's a reasonably standardized material. So all of them are plastics or variants of that. We also have some 3D scanners, and we've just got a small enclosed CNC machine as well.
In terms of improving human health, 3D printing has worlds of possibilities. Our bodies are mostly internal. We can't see what's going on. And what 3D printing can do is make that visible. We say a picture is worth 1,000 words. We say an object's worth 1,000 pictures. So all the way from a fetus to a cancer tumor, we can make the intangible, what's inside our body, tangible through the magic of 3D printing.